or if you found that the lead screw was bashing the top forward or back. Do you remember we moved this rail? So there's a little bit of play when you're doing the T-nuts up, like this way and that way, so you can edge it one way or the other to square it up. But looking to me, that looks pretty good. But we'll know when it's all wired up and ticking whether it works or not, because it will bind. If it doesn't bind, then we're good. But while we're at it, while we're in place, let's tighten up these black rub screws. Make sure we're fully in. So make sure they're nice and tight. There we go. And that's build video, quite a long one, number 12, done. Thank you.